guys, today's my third flight with the AS33 Me. We are going here into the Alps today. I made an aero show with a motor glider so that I have enough range to get in the mountains, especially and get out of the mountains as well. This will be our first climb here, and then we will decide which direction we will fly, left hand side to the right hand side. But cloud base is quite okay now. Here's the Pfordensee, Garmisch, and it's not so easy for me.
Irgendwie stehen doch die Wolken heute komisch, oder?
Ja, stehen komisch und ich muss auch sagen, gleite extrem schlecht hier.
First good thermal of the day. It's a round thermal with more than 2 meters, 2.5 to 3 meters per second. Cloud base, say 2500, 2600. We are getting there. Nice.
Oder kommt der gut?
Ja, ein bisschen über den Meter, aber fühlt sich nicht schlecht an.
Nice. Fun park is still open here. Hast du da irgendwie in diesem Lee angefangen, oder?
Ja, direkt am Heck vorne und da so ein bisschen sogar nach Norden leicht den Hang versetzt. da, wo der draußen zufliegt. Und dann irgendwann habe ich so einen rechten Bereich eingeleitet, der kam dann da irgendwo.
Ah, hier kommt er auch.
Ja, diesmal habe ich die aber im Blick, wenn ich warte.
So nice. The first 3 flying days now in this nice AS33 ME. Really happy and really looking forward to some more big flights and great adventures. But it's only 1 month left until this glider will be shipped to the United States, and then it's time for the waltz in Texas. Let's dump the water ballast. We need to open them, the outer wings, and then you should see it flowing out here. And today I flew with about 560 kilos or 550 kilos, only the outer wings with water ballast.